Hey, Blaine, good morning. Well, there is one day a year when we know what the Supreme Court is going to do in advance, and that is only on the last day of the term when we know they have to hand down all of the pending opinions on all of their pending cases. Arguably the biggest one we're still waiting for, that birthright citizenship decision, with the president trying to restrict that for children of undocumented immigrants and children of people who are in the U.S. on a temporary visa. Now, how exactly this decision impacts the country will really depend on exactly how the justices write their decision. Take a listen.
Is it on a narrow ground of, if it goes against President Trump, is it a narrow ground of he does not have the executive power to do it, but leave open the possibility that Congress has the power? Or is it a more sweeping grant of power to the executive to change citizenship requirements?
Well, there's no firm number on exactly how many potential future-born children a rollback of birthright citizenship might impact. There are multiple studies that have been done trying to estimate how many kids are born. So, of course, on a birth certificate, it doesn't indicate whether the parents are, in the U.S. illegally or not. It doesn't indicate immigration status. So there's one study from the Center for Migration Studies. They estimate over the next about 20 years or so, it would impact about 750,000 children. But then there's another study from Penn State University with a drastically different number, saying it could impact as many as 6.4 million children over the next 25 years. So one thing is for sure, though, rolling back birthright citizenship would mean that those kids, when they grow up, presuming they grow up in the U.S., they won't be authorized to work here. They won't have, the same ability to contribute to the economy, and that means it could have a huge impact, especially on those big states like Texas and California, who lean really heavily on immigrant populations to contribute to their economy. So this is a really big case, Blaine, that we'll be keeping our eyes on today and be needing to kind of read the details of exactly how the justices word this decision and whether it's a win for the Trump administration or whether the Supreme Court hands the president another loss this term.
And I know you'll be watching that closely. Our Scripps News Group team in Washington. Stephanie, thank you so much for the update. It is 6:36.